If you're travelling from Disneyland Paris or Marne-le-Vallee to any of the stations into central Paris or even beyond to the west of the capital, this is how you need to catch your train. So we bought our ticket, and these are exit gates from the platform. We need to go over here to where the green panels are lit up to scan our ticket. Place our ticket in, comes out, the gates open. And it is quite straightforward down to the platform now. There is a lift available and a choice of stairs or escalator. But you can see the route. We're here at Marne-le-Vallee. We're just travelling to Val d'Europe, but you can link straight through to the centre of Paris and out to the west of the city. Anyway, let's go down the travelator, or the escalator rather, to the platform where a train is waiting. Now this station is a terminus, so it doesn't really matter which train you get on. They're both heading to Paris. Even though it doesn't look like a terminus, it actually is. Let's get on board and wait for departure. And to assist you on your journey, the stations that the train will stop at are illuminated. And you can see this takes us right through the centre of Paris. So as we wait for our train to depart, we'll say thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon here again on Not Just Disney. Bye for now.